Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys, and today we are back talking about Chain Opera AI. Today's going to be a little bit of a shorter video because we're just going to break down market structure, because to be honest, there isn't much on Twitter that they have talked about. I've kind of already went through what Chain Opera is and my thoughts about it, so kind of just bring market structure to you guys. That they do say bear market is right timing to test the conviction of real builders who are preparing the best products for the next bull run. Go Chain Opera. And what they say is true, actually. Maybe not necessarily for Chain Opera, because a lot of people don't like Chain, but in other cryptos, maybe one that you have more conviction about, a bear market is a good and bad thing. It's good because it allows you to buy the projects at a discount. The bad thing is if you start believing and panicking to all of the people talking in your ear saying, oh, this is going to go down here, this is this, right? You have to have conviction in your project, whatever that crypto is that you are holding. Make sure it is one that you understand why you bought it, for what reasons, and where you plan on holding it till. If that is the case, then you should be fine, right? We should all be risking whatever we are worth, or we should all be risking whatever we are willing to lose, right? So just chill, don't panic, don't stress. Let's have a look at market structure. So last video, what did I draw out for you guys here? This is what we call a daily fair value gap. It's an imbalance in price, and price now has been obviously trading within the fair value gap for some time now. And where do I think we are going? I think we're going down a little bit more. Why? Because that is where the accumulation of volume is on the 4-hour, right? So right over here, you can see we had a little bit of accumulation of volume, some consolidation. So I wouldn't be surprised if that's where price goes to. Now, this is such a fantastic buying opportunity, such a low, even where it is right now. Now, like I said in my last video, I did buy up Chain Opera. I didn't put an insane amount, and I didn't buy the project because I have super strong convictions of what it's going to do and its partnerships and it's all of that. No, my reason for buying was more of a gut play because of how high we were in the past, just a couple of months ago, right? I was thinking to myself, okay, it has corrected itself from the highs. It has fallen down insanely much. This is a good time to buy for a higher risk play with a higher reward, right? There's different plays in this market. There's low risk plays with lower rewards. There's high risk plays with higher rewards, right? Some high risk plays are meme coins, right? Meme coins can be very high risk, but the rewards can sometimes be fantastic. There's low risk plays like, in my opinion, like XRP or like ICP, right? Those are projects that have founded and cemented itself in the crypto space, and they're not going anywhere. They have a clear path of what they want to do. They are set out to do, and they are going to provide good things for the future, right? Chain Opera is my conviction there. Not really. There are other AI coins that I like more. I like Tau more. I like Fetch more. But that doesn't mean you can't make money on Chain Opera, and that doesn't mean Chain Opera won't go up, right? Everybody has their own reasonings. You guys might like Chain Opera more than Fetch or more than Tau. That's completely okay, right? That doesn't mean that I'm not going to be bringing you guys market structure and trying to let you know the best plan and where you can buy, sell, invest, all of that good stuff, right? Just because we have different opinions on a coin doesn't matter, right? My work here is to just provide you insight. It's to break down news, is to break down explanations in simple ways for you guys, right? So just very simply, what are we seeing on the chart right now on the daily time frame? You know, we have a high here, which is a lower high from the previous high. Then what do we have? A lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Step ladder to the downside. Very, very simple. You can see it is very bearish, right? RSI is going to be heavily oversold. On the weekly, it's not there, but on the daily, it is oversold, right? Because obviously we have been trending down and we are in an imbalance. Now, there really is not much more I can say. If we do get to these lows over here, I will be double downing. That is for sure. Seeing that we were at $25 a couple months ago and now it's at 30 cents. I'm kind of thinking about the gains and it's getting very exciting, but remember what I said in the past, right? So if we were to get down to this zone, which I don't know if it's likely, it's unlikely, it's kind of a mystery right now, right? It's unknown. We have to adapt to the market because Bitcoin's also kind of in a weird place. It swept liquidity, started going up a little bit, but now it's continuing going down. So we'll see what that gives us. But you can see, right, just on the 4 hourly at least, we did test this area 3 times pretty much immediately before price said, no, my time is to go up, right? So this could be a strong buying zone around the 30-cent mark. But like I said, I think this is a premium zone anyways. You can even take leverage trades, right? But obviously the ideal leverage trade is here. Place your stop loss below these lows right over there and possibly go up. Right now, it's kind of in a no man's land for leverage trades. As an investment, yes, you could. Most likely, it is at a very low. So I could see that happening. We are most likely going to go further down. Now, if we want to start seeing some upside, obviously starts on the 4 hourly. I always like looking at the 4 hourly. Hourly is a little too short of a time frame for me. And I would like to see this high get taken, followed by this high. And then we can most likely start seeing a bullish pattern, right? So we will see how that plays out. Is there anything else I can really show you guys, explain to you guys while I still have you here? Not really. What if I look at chain opera, this one? Yeah, pretty much the same thing. Not much different to the chart that we just saw. So yeah, honestly, not much left to say. So yeah, I guess if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It means a lot. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, any discussions, any debates. If you want to discuss why you like Chain Opera, maybe over Fetch or over Tau, let me know. Or if you want to see a video of me explaining why I like those two a little bit more than Chain Opera, I can do that for you guys also. Let me know in the comments. Make sure you guys do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor. And I'll see everybody in the next video.